Alden Richard update. Stars on the Floor Season 2.
Good morning, Alden.
Media interview ni Alden. Nagawa ni Alden. February 15 na. Ngayon pa yung mga kasama ni Alden. Nasa school. Faber Group. Osman Rivera at Coach Jake.
The reason why nagkaroon po kami ng Season 2 is because of the support of the Kapusos all over the world. And I think the people behind Stars on the Floor and all of us really did a wonderful job in terms of showcasing this kind of concept. Dahil like what we've mentioned and for everyone's knowledge, Stars on the Floor is an original GMA concept. So we took into consideration different shows that already aired globally and then tried to pinagsama-sama namin sila to create this concept for the Filipino audience. So
Season 1, what would you say is the biggest level up we can expect in Season 2?
Well, sa ngayon po kasi parang we introduced the concept of collaboration between the two worlds, which is the celebrity world and the social media world. So yun po yung nangyari sa Season 1. So right now, we're trying to level it up in terms of collaborating naman our celebrity dance stars with our P-pop idols. Kasi very much dominant na rin na nakikita na natin na nag-grow yung fan base ng mga P-pop stars natin dito sa Philippines. So I think that's one way of leveling up sa Season 2 for Stars on the Floor.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you, Alden. And for
Mga ini-incorporate namin with every episode that we make is still there. Diyan magaling yung creatives natin, of course, and our directors as well. So we're looking forward to this show because it really...
So, and ano yung mga expectations mo sa performances na makikita mo for this season's duo?
Para sa akin po, yung dati kasi namin dati social media at saka celebrity.
Kaya si Alden, ang picture picture. Nasa loob ng Stars on the Floor. Sa likod. And February 15 na. Stars on the Floor Season 2. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard, yung Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.